This shouldn't work. And this is why. A CB750 never designed for boost. With a turbo system from the 1970s. Get this wrong and it destroys itself. Nothing here follows the original rules. The way this bike carries force is completely different. Kyo calls himself a mechanic. He trusts what works. Not what's supposed to. And occasionally, what definitely shouldn't. This started with one problem. A 1970s turbo kit, built for drag racing. Not for this. A CB750 wasn't built for boost. Add pressure and everything shifts. Tolerances disappear. Weak points become failures. Get it wrong and it destroys itself. So he didn't adapt this bike, he rebuilt it. A one-off frame, engine mounted differently. Changing how force moves through it. The question is whether it actually holds. Every part here is solving a problem. Not styling, survival. It holds together. Which raises the next problem. It has to do this every time. Let's find out if it does. He says it rides well, which is concerning. Because when boost comes in, everything changes. more air, more fuel, more pressure than this engine should carry. And instead of limiting it, he pushes further. Which is exactly what you don't do. He called it cherry blossom, a rebirth, which feels optimistic. Most custom bikes are built to reassure you. This one isn't interested. It accepts instability and builds around it. It shouldn't work. It shouldn't run like this. And yet, here it is, still holding together. But everything here is built around one idea. Not perfection, survival. Almost.